Okay, so I'm going to be talking you through how to get set up in TinkerCad. So we'll just start by Googling it and just click on that top link there for tinkercad.com. Now we're going to click on the Join Now button, and don't worry about any of this teacher, educator stuff. Just click on where it says create a personal account. If you're signed in with your Gmail already, just click on sign in with Google. Now here we are at the home page. You can see all your designs there. We haven't made any yet because it's a new account. And you can click on there and see that you're logged in already. If you go down and click on the Lessons tab, you'll see all the lessons you've done. Now this is a new account, so I haven't done any, and that's where we're going to start. So we're going to go up the top here and click on Learn. If you go across the Lessons tab, you can see all the lessons. If you click on that, you can see all the lessons that are sort of available. We don't need to worry about any of those yet because they are quite in depth. We're going to click on the starters. You see there's 4 just here. But if we click on where it says see all starters, if we click on that, there's actually 10 starters available. Now I'm going to ask you to do the first 8. They don't take that long, and once you know the first 8, then you'll be able to start making stuff on your own pretty well. So we'll go ahead and click on that first starter. And you can see there's some information happening up on the right of the screen here, and there's all your blocks and that, but the real deal is on the left, where it has all the information, all the instructions for how to do each step. It goes step by step, so please use those, and there's a next button down the bottom as well for when you're done. When you're finished with all the starters, you can click on the TinkerCad icon up the top left. It will take you back to the home page. It will save what you've done, and it will take you back. So once you've done the starters, your job is to make your own design. So we'll click on Create New Design. And here we are for blank canvas. And you can just start by putting in anything you want. So I'm going to let you choose what design you make. I'm just going to make a very basic one here, just to have something. And I'll add a bit of empty space, a hole. I'll put that in the middle of it. And I'll highlight them all and join them together. Right, so this shape will do for the purposes of this tutorial. And like I said, if you're finished, if you're happy with your design, you can just go up to the top left and click on that TinkerCad icon, and you see on the bottom it says saving your work in green. And then it will take you back to your dashboard, the home page. And you can see under your designs, it's got what we just made. It's got a weird name, so I'm going to click on properties and I'm going to change the name. So give it a name, give your first project a name, and if you can also change the privacy to public, then click on Save Changes. Don't worry about any of this licensing stuff. I don't think you need to worry about that right now. Then we'll click Save Changes, and it's changed the name. If you can, the last step is for you to click on this now to open up in the preview window, and then click on the top and take the hyperlink, take the URL at the very top. I want you to copy that, and then I want you to go to the Google Classroom page, which I will have set up, and you can just paste that link there in the comments to the post for today, and everyone can see each other's projects and I can see what you've made. And that's that. Good luck.